Hey guys, I haven't checked in a while with you, but today is the day when I decided to come back to you, and I want to show you the new watch. I've been very busy, working, traveling to Munich. I hope you saw my vlog video. I'm gonna go back to Munich next week, so yeah. If you want something to see, I'm planning to find the Langenbrunner store, so I want to try to film something inside the store. These other watches are not that interesting. Most of them you saw on my channel before, but yeah, I want to show you the new watch I have. I bought this. I think it was the last day of the new year. So yeah, this is my Omega Planet Ocean, the Rolex killer, the Submariner killer, and I got it. This is the first generation with the aluminum bezel, with the good movement that doesn't break. The watch that I've been watching and seeing, and when the Drikos Andreas first bought his and then he returned it, then slide of other YouTubers bought it, Matt Stevens, lots of other, and it was very hot watch back in the days. It came out 2005, I believe, 2006, 8, I don't know, not sure. It was very hot watch, and for a reason. The bracelet, the dial, the bezel, the size. This is a 45mm version. Very good on my wrist. I was a little bit concerned, but yeah, very good on my wrist. Has a beautiful AR coating. Just it's very sweet looking watch, and for a reason you can see why it was dubbed the Submariner killer, and why many people. Let's remember, back in the day, you could easily go to any boutique, any Rolex store, and you could easily go and buy Submariner. It was not an issue. You could get like a discount. In fact, the mantra and of that era was buy new is for suckers. It's for losers. Buy pre-owned, and you could buy anything, new, pre-owned, Rolex, whatever. But still, people chose to buy the Planet Ocean. Why? Because it was that good. Molly, it was that good. It was that good, and people bought it. And yeah, I remember watching many reviews and videos about it, and you never really get to know the Planet Ocean until you really get to own it. And like most of the watches, you need to own them to judge them, but I always kind of liked them, but it never made really sense. I prefer the Submariner, and I bought Submariners, Hey. Hey. Snimam video. Yeah, and I bought Submariners because I liked Submariner, but opportunity rised, and I had the opportunity to buy it, and yeah, I bought it for a good deal because it's still the good deal. Nowadays you have the ceramic one, and yeah, the ceramic is all the rage, but I still prefer the aluminum bezels. And I gotta tell you, the more I'm older and maturing as a collector, I think I prefer the aluminum bezels more. And Submariner, on that age, it had a bracelet that was not on par with this one. This one does not have a glide lock system, but you can buy it easily. The newer one have, but the bracelet just hugs your wrist. It's just gorgeous, And yeah, so yeah, that's it. That was my little review. I'm gonna do a full review sometimes in the future, and I'm planning to keep this watch. I'm not planning to sell it or flip it or whatnot, because I like it and I enjoy wearing it.